Hoagland here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 1. Yes, I've decided to do Vlogmas this year, and I'm super excited about it. I think I'm gonna, if anyone didn't know, I think I said something about it in one of my previous videos, but I haven't really been posting in a long time. So I moved a few weeks ago, let's say, and with Vlogmas, I want to do like a day-to-day maybe. I don't know if I'm going to do like post every day or post every 3 days. However much footage I get, that's when I'll decide. But I started from scratch. Before I started traveling back in, well, say 2 years ago, I packed up all of my things. I was living in Arizona. I knew I wanted to move closer back to home. Home for me is Virginia. So I knew I wanted to live in the DMV area somewhere, but I didn't know exactly where. So I did go and see a few apartments. I'm not sure if I have a whole lot of footage on the apartments that I actually saw, but I do have a couple. So with this first video, I want to take you back with some of the apartments that I saw and then which one I decided to choose, which is the one that I'm standing in right now. Again, like I said, I saw everything when I was in Arizona. I knew that I wanted to start from scratch. So everything in this Vlogmas will be everything that I've accumulated since I've been here. I want to show you guys every room. I decided to decorate each room individually, like separately. Of course, I have a bed first because I do need to sleep, you know, but even though I didn't start off with the bed, I bought the mattress first and then I bought the frame for it. So I want to start off individual rooms and show you how I decorate. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So a lot to cover. So stay tuned for my apartment tour. We could have been, we could have been. Okay, this first property that I'm actually going to is in Maryland. Is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. I put the price on the screen as well. I really liked it. I love the hardwood floors that it had. Sorry, the quality isn't so great. The person that was giving me the tour kept talking to me, but it was nice. It had stackable washer and dryers. Again, I love the floors. It's 2-bedroom, 2-bath. The kitchen was open concept. I just didn't like the fact that it was kind of the bedrooms were kind of small, which I didn't like. The bathrooms were pretty big. You see, this is one of the bathrooms right here. Love that it had the mirror and love the in the main area, and I think it was like one in the bedrooms, which wasn't a lot. So we're going down. This is the amenity areas, which I love. This is like a workroom. This is the fitness area, which was really, really great. I love the fitness area. Like this would have sold me, but if I went to the gym every day, which I don't. So yeah, but it was huge. It had free weights. I love that it had the free weights, and then it had many different machines in there. Now, again, these amenities in this building was top tier. This is in the lobby. And you can see out the window, there's the pool area. They have a sitting area with a grill. Also, this is an extra bonus. This is like a paint and sip room where you can rent out, which is totally free if you want to invite. And we were unpacking that day and cleaning some stuff up. So this is the kitchen. The island area has a dishwasher, the pantry, more, like I said, hella storage. This place had hella storage in this facility. This is the living room area as well, the bedroom that we actually saw. And this actually has a Juliet um, balcony float type thing, which is not really a balcony, but you can open the doors. I think I'll show you a little bit more of it at the end. This is the master closet, which is pretty big. It's a nice size. Two sides to it, and then you go through this extra door, and then there's the ensuite right there, pretty large. All the extra cabinet